Hello, Seekers. Welcome back. Imagine this, a creature so resilient, so astonishingly built, that it can survive, even after death. Sounds like something out of a horror movie, right? But these animals are real. Today, we're taking you on an unbelievable journey through the animal kingdom, where some creatures possess survival tricks you wouldn't believe. The cockroach, the headless survivor. Let's start with an insect we all know, and probably don't love, the cockroach. They're notorious for surviving just about anything, from nuclear radiation to extreme cold. But did you know that these little pests can live for up to a week without their head? With no brain to guide it, a headless cockroach can still walk, respond to touch, and even attempt to find food. Creepy? Absolutely. But it's a brilliant display of evolution in action. The octopus, tentacles with a mind of their own. Our next contender is as smart as it is strange. The octopus, a master of escape and disguise, has a nervous system unlike any other animal. Its tentacles can move, grab, and react to the environment even after being severed from the body. That's because each tentacle contains a complex network of neurons that control movement independently. It's almost as if each tentacle has a mind of its own. So, even when the octopus itself is no longer alive, its severed limbs continue their journey, unaware of their fate. The zombie worms, feeding on the dead. Now let's descend into the depths of the ocean where things get truly eerie. Meet the zombie worm. These mysterious creatures thrive in the graveyard of the deep, feeding on the bones of dead whales and fish. But what's even more incredible, they digest bones without any mouth or stomach. Instead, they release special bacteria that break down the bones. These worms are a haunting example of life continuing in the shadows of death, proving that survival can take strange, unexpected forms. The Planarian flatworm, the regenerator. Ever heard of a creature that can regenerate itself even after being sliced in half? Meet the Planarian flatworm. Slice it once, and each half will grow into a fully functional worm. Slice it multiple times and you'll end up with an entire colony of clones, each piece growing into a perfect copy. Scientists are fascinated by these tiny worms, as their regeneration ability could unlock secrets of regeneration in humans. For now, though, they remain nature's little miracle, creatures that practically defy death. The Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. And finally, we arrive at a creature that seems to have cracked the code to eternal life. Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, is perhaps the most astonishing example of survival in the animal kingdom. When faced with injury or aging, this tiny jellyfish has the ability to revert to its juvenile state and start its life cycle all over again. In theory, it could repeat this cycle indefinitely, effectively dodging death. Imagine an animal that, instead of dying, simply resets itself, like pressing a cosmic rewind button. These animals show us that life and death aren't always as straightforward as we think. From headless cockroaches and regenerating worms to the timeless jellyfish, nature has more tricks up its sleeve than we could ever imagine. So next time you see a bug or swim in the ocean, remember, some of these creatures might just be survivors of a different kind. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the wonders of the animal kingdom. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more mind-blowing stories from the wild. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Thanks for watching.